delicious Easter recipe for you from Albert Bartlett. This is Rooster and Caper Crush. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees centigrade, gas mark 6. Wash the potatoes without piercing the skin and pop them in the oven to bake for 50 minutes. Take them out of the oven and crush them with a flat potato masher. Don't mash them completely, just break the skins down a little. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with black pepper and crushed garlic. Finally, add the capers. These will give a sharpness instead of using salt. Pop them back in the oven for a final 20 minutes until crunchy and golden on top.